Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve the following pair of simultaneous equation by elimination method. Okay, so the first step is of course to label the equation. So this one will be my equation 1 and my equation 2. And let's see. All the coefficients of the variables are different. Then we will need to make the coefficient of at least one of the variable the same. Mr. Tan is going to choose to make the variable A, the coefficient same. Meaning, I will times 2 times 2 times 2 for my equation 1. Later on, I will times 3 times 3 times 3 for my equation 2, such that the coefficient of A will be 6. So from here, right, you can then see that equation 1 will become 6A minus 8B equals to 60. Equation 3. This will become 6A negative 21B, which is equals to 99. This will be my equation 4. Then the next thing is to consider and think about it. How do I make sure that with my 6A, positive 6A, and my positive 6A, do I plus or do I minus them such that it will so that it can be equals to 0? Yes. So this is the thinking part. So we are going to minus equation 3 minus equation 4 to eliminate 6A. Okay, so 6A minus 6A is 0. I will have my negative 8B minusing my negative 21B. So similarly, at the other side of this equation, 60 minus 99. Alright. So let's continue to solve it. Negative 8 minus negative 21 will give me 13B. 60 minus 99 will give me negative 39, and therefore I will be able to get my value of B easily. B will be equals to negative 3. Then all we have to do is to substitute B into any of these 4 equations. Okay, so it does not matter. I'm going to substitute this value of B into equation 1. And now what is equation 1? 3a minus 4b equals to 30. But now we do know the value of b, isn't it? Value of b is negative 3. And so Mr. Tan will replace the b with negative 3. So let's solve this. Negative 4 times negative 3 will become negative 4 multiplied by negative 3. Positive 12 here. So eventually I will get this answer. I'm going to minus 12 on both sides. and divide by 3. So I will get my answer for A. Last but not least, I just need to double check whether my answer is correct, whether A is indeed 6 and B is indeed negative 3 by substituting to other equation. So this is just what we do to check. So 2, my A is 6 minus 7B. B is negative 3. And I check. Does this give me 33? Yes, it does. And therefore, our answers are correct. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.